Stop wasting time. Your browser can do way more. I have tested dozens of tools and today I will share 15 Chrome extensions that turns your browser into a dev security and productivity powerhouse. These are tools I actually use. One fixes messy tabs, one finds hidden API calls, another haunts your website instantly. The last 5 tools on this list are absolute game changers, especially for hackers and DevOps engineers. Hit subscribe and let's upgrade your browser in the next few minutes. So grab a coffee, open your browser, and let's get started. Let's start with something fun. If you are bored of seeing the same old white mouse cursor every day, custom cursor for Chrome lets you completely personalize it with hundreds of unique designs. You can choose from a huge collection of cursors pack including superheroes like Batman, Spider-Man, anime character, gaming themes, cute animals and many more. With just one click, your ordinary cursor becomes something that matches your personality. While these extensions won't make you code faster or hack better, it definitely makes your browser experience more enjoyable and gives your browser a unique look because even your mouse pointer deserves a personality. Now that your browser looks a lot cooler, let's make it smarter too. The next extension transforms every new tab into a dashboard filled with the latest tech news, design, inspiration, and AI updates. If you are tired of opening a blank new tab every time you browse, Muesli 2 can completely transform that experience. Instead of an empty page, it gives you a personalized dashboard filled with the latest update from the tech and creative world. With Muesli, you can discover AI news, web development, resources, UI UX inspiration, startup ideas, programming articles, productivity tools, and the latest technology trends all in one place. You can even customize your feed based on your interest so you only see the content that matters to you. Whether you are a developer looking for new frameworks, a designer searching for inspiration, or a content creator hunting for fresh ideas, this extension saves you from visiting multiple websites every day. Every new tab becomes an opportunity to learn something new. Now that your browser is keeping you updated with the latest tech, let's make sure language never becomes a barrier. The next extension lets you translate entire website with just a single click. Ever landed on a website in a language you don't understand? Instead of copying and pasting everything into Google Translate, this extension does this work for you. Now, every website speaks your language. We can translate an entire web page with one click or simply highlight a word in or sentence to see its meaning instantly. Whether you are reading technical documentation, research papers, or international blogs, this extension can save you a lot of time. Perfect for those moments when Google drops you into a website you cannot read. Now that your browser looks smarter, let's move on to an extension that can help you take full page screenshot with a single click. Have you ever tried taking a screenshot of a long web page only to end up with 5 or 6 separate images? Go Full Page solves that problem with a single click. It captures the entire web page from top to bottom without any stitching or scrolling. It's perfect for saving tutorials, documentation, receipt, report, or even long social media posts. No more taking 15 screenshots just to capture one web page. One click and the whole page is yours. Your print screen key just become unemployed. Taking great screenshot is one thing, but sending an email full of grammar mistakes, that is a different problem. Let's fix that with our next extension. Whether you are writing emails to your boss, preparing college assignment, creating documentation, or posting on LinkedIn, even small grammar mistake can leave a bad impression. Grammarly acts like your personal writing assistant. As you type, it automatically checks your grammar, spelling, punctuation, and sentence structure in real time. The best part is that it works across hundreds of websites, including Gmail, Google Docs, LinkedIn, Microsoft Word, and many other web applications. If you are a student, content creator, IT professional, or some who write emails every day, this extension can save you time and make your writing looks more polished. If you are someone who wants to stay updated with the latest technology but don't have time to visit multiple websites every day, Daily.dev is a perfect extension for you. It transforms every new tab into a personalized feed of articles based on your interest. You can follow topics like cybersecurity, AI, Linux, cloud computing, DevOps, programming, and much more. It also learns what you enjoy reading, so over time, your feed becomes even more relevant. Instead of opening 5 or 6 different tech websites every morning, everything comes to one place. It's a simple way to discover new tools, learn new technologies, and stay up to date with what's happening in the tech world. It's like Instagram but for developers. Your browser just become your daily tech newspaper. Warning, you might spend more time learning than scrolling. Have you ever wanted to record your screen for tutorial, online classes, software demo, or even to report a bug? Instead of downloading heavy recording software, Screen Recorder 4K lets you do it correctly from your browser. This extension can record your entire screen or a specific application window or just the current browser tab. We can also record your microphone, system audio, or even your webcam at the same time, making it perfect for creating tutorial, presentation, or YouTube videos. Whether you are a student recording online lectures or developer demonstrating a feature, this extension makes screen recording quick and hassle-free. Your browser just got a password. Browsec VPN lets you change your virtual location by connecting through servers in different countries. With just one click, you can browse as if you are in another region, helping you access geo restricted content and adding an extra layer of privacy to your internet connection. The free version offers several server locations, making it a great option for casual browsing, testing websites for different regions, or accessing region specific content. It's simple to use and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Just remember, while it's great for everyday browsing, the free version and designed for high security or enterprise use. If you are the kind of person who opens dozens of tabs while researching, studying, or working, one tab is going to become your new best friend. Instead of keeping all those tabs open and slowing down your computer, one tab convert them into a clean, organized list with a single click. Whether you need a page again, you can restore individual tabs or bring back the entire session. Not only does this reduce browser clutter, but it also helps save memory and keeps your workflow organized. Whether you have researching for project, troubleshooting a server issue, or simply collecting useful articles, one tab makes tab management effortless. If Chrome is eating all your RAM, this extension is your diet plan. Now that we have cleaned up your tabs, let's clean up your browsing experience by getting rid of those annoying ad and pop-ups. Let's be honest, nobody likes annoying ads, pop-ups, autoplay videos or websites filled with trackers. They not only interrupt your browsing experience but also slow down page loading. That's where Edgar ad blocker comes in. Blocks intrusive ads, pop-ups, banner and many online tracker before they even load. This means cleaner web pages, faster browsing and better privacy. It can also help reduce bandwidth usage since unnecessary content and being downloaded. Whether you are reading articles, watching videos, or browsing your favorite websites, Edgard makes the entire experience much smoother and less distracting. One thing to keep in mind is that some websites rely on ad for revenue. So if you want to support the creator or publisher, you can easily whitelist their website. If you are a web developer, blogger, or website owner, Lighthouse is one of the most useful tools you can have. It's a free auditing tool from Google that analyzes your website and tells you exactly how well it's performing. With a single click, White Lighthouse generates a detailed report covering performance, accessibility, SEO, best practices, and progressive web app support. Instead of guessing what's slowing down your website, you'll get actionable suggestions to improve it. For example, it can tell you if your images are too large, your website loads too slowly, your SEO needs improvement, or if there are accessibility issues affecting users. It's like having a website health checkup whenever you need it. No more guessing why your website is slow. Lighthouse tells you exactly what's wrong. Lighthouse tells you what's wrong with the website. Now let's look at an extension that gives you tools to inspect, test, and experiment with website like a pro. If you are a web developer, UI engineer, or even someone learning how websites work, web developer is like having a Swiss Army knife inside your browser. Instead of opening multiple tools or digging through browser settings, this extension gives you dozens of useful developer features in one place. With just a few clicks, you can disable JavaScript or CSS, inspect forms, outline HTML element, view cookies, resize your browser for responsive testing, and much more. Whether you are debugging a website for testing how it behaves under different conditions, this extension can save you a lot of time. Even you are just starting out in web development, it's a great way to explore how websites are built and how different component works. Now that you have explored the website works, let's look at an extension that can tell you what technologies are powering them. Webplizer. Have you ever visited a website and wondered what technology is this built with? Instead of guessing, Webplizer gives you the answer in second. With just a one click, it can identify the technologies running behind almost any website. It can detect content management system like WordPress, JavaScript framework like React or Angular, analytical tools, web servers, programming languages, CDN, payment gateway, marketing tools, and much more. Whether you are a developer looking for inspiration, a cybersecurity enthusiast doing reconnaissance, or just curious about how your favorite website works, Webplizer gives you valuable insight instantly. Now you'll know a website tech stack before a developer tells you. Most people think Google searches that entire internet, but that's not entirely true. Sodan is a specialized search engine that helps you discover internet connected devices instead of just websites. With the Sodan extension, you can instantly gather information about the server behind the website you are visiting. It can show details like a server's IP address, open ports, hosting provider, operating system, SSL certificate, information, and other publicly available data. For cybersecurity professionals, system administrators, and pen testers, this is a great reconnaissance tool that provides useful information without actually scanning the target. Remember, Sodan only displays publicly available information. Always use it responsibly and only for educational and authorized purpose. Google find website, Sodan find the machine running them. If you are learning ethical hacking or working in cybersecurity, OWASP penetration testing kit is like having a security toolbox built right into your browser. Instead of searching the web every time you need a payload, HTTP status code, security header reference, encoding tool, hash generator, or penetration testing cheat sheet. This extension brings many of those resources together in one place. It includes quick access to encoders and decoders, hash generators, base64 tools, URL encoding, JWT utilities, HTTP method, common security headers, status code references, and link to popular OSP resources. It saves time by putting commonly used security references just one click away. Whether you are solving CTF challenges, practicing in a lab, performing web application testing, or simply learning cybersecurity, this extension can become a very handy companion. Every ethical hacker loves shortcut, and this extension is full of them. And those were my favorite 15 Chrome extension that every tech enthusiast should try. Which one are you installing first, or did I miss one of your favorite? Let me know in the comment. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe to Sour Sacks. I will see you in the next one.